A team led by researchers at the University of Montreal has found evidence that two exoplanets orbiting a red dwarf star are water worlds, where water makes up a large fraction of the entire planet. These worlds, located in a planetary system 218 light-years away in the constellation Lyra, are unlike any planet found in our solar system. Piaulet and colleagues observed exoplanets Kepler 138c and Kepler 138d with NASA's Hubble and the retired Spitzer space telescopes and discovered that the planets could be composed largely of water. These two planets and a smaller planetary companion closer to the star, Kepler 138b, had been discovered previously by NASA's Kepler space telescope. The new study found evidence for a fourth planet, too. Water wasn't directly detected at Kepler 138c and d, but by comparing the sizes and masses of the planets to models, astronomers conclude that a significant fraction of their volume, up to half of it, should be made of materials that are lighter than rock but heavier than hydrogen or helium. The most common of these candidate materials is water. With volumes more than 3 times that of Earth and masses twice as big, planets C and D have much lower densities than Earth. This is surprising because most of the planets just slightly bigger than Earth that have been studied in detail so far all seem to be rocky worlds like ours. The closest comparison, say researchers, would be some of the icy moons in the outer solar system that are also largely composed of water surrounding a rocky core. In 2014, data from NASA's Kepler Space Telescope allowed astronomers to announce the detection of 3 planets orbiting Kepler 138. This was based on a measurable dip in starlight as the planet momentarily passed in front of their star. Benik and his colleague Diana Dragomir, from the University of New Mexico, came up with the idea of re-observing the planetary system with the Hubble and Spitzer space telescopes between 2014 and 2016 to catch more transits of Kepler 138d, the third planet in the system, in order to study its atmosphere. The two possible water worlds, Kepler 138c and d, are not located in the habitable zone, the area around a star where temperatures would allow liquid water on the surface of a rocky planet. But in the Hubble and Spitzer data, researchers additionally found evidence for a new planet in the system, Kepler 138e, in the habitable zone. This newly found planet is small and farther from its star than the 3 others, taking 38 days to complete an orbit. The nature of this additional planet, however, remains an open question because it does not seem to transit its host star. Observing the exoplanet's transit would have allowed astronomers to determine its size. With Kepler 138e now in the picture, the masses of the previously known planets were measured again via the transit timing variation method, which consists of tracking small variations in the precise moments of the planet's transits in front of their star caused by the gravitational pull of other nearby planets. The researchers had another surprise. They found that the two water worlds Kepler 138c and d are twin planets, with virtually the same size and mass, while they were previously thought to be drastically different. The closer-in planet, Kepler 138b, on the other hand, is confirmed to be a small Mars mass planet, one of the smallest exoplanets known to date.